caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the
Hey squad, today we are doing a quick and easy goulash dinner. If you're new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe bell, join the fam in, and then also hit that notification bell whenever you want to see another video from me. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, for our ingredients, we are using Ragu Simply Creole seasoning, elbow noodles, garlic powder, ground paprika, pepper, salt, chopped spinach for our sides, green peppers, onions, and we'll be adding some ground beef, and we'll be using some biscuits that I had made earlier. So we're going to show you how to use this quick and easy meal for dinner, for your meal preps, also for the rest of the week. So hit that like button for your girl, comment below, let me know if you've ever had goulash and how you like to make your goulash. Alright, period. I was talking to MRTV and she was like, she didn't know, what went in goulash. So we gonna learn today. Y'all gonna learn today. Y'all gonna learn, period. Here we go. And squad, make sure you head over to MRTV's channel. Tell her I said, hey, tell her Steph DIY Queen sent you over there. They have really lit lives. She goes on in live. She does cooking videos. She does karaoke nights on Saturdays, like I do. So it be lit over there. I'm part of Fan Band. So make sure you tell her I sent you next time you go over there and watch one of her videos. Okay? Tell her you from my family to her fam. We need to do a collaboration, sis. Anyways, I'm gonna get into this video. It's not gonna be me talking. I'm gonna let y'all watch me cook. All right, period. Let's go. Oh yeah, you guys, squad, I'm going live tomorrow at 8 p.m. for Taco Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure y'all show up this time. Okay, show up. Mine's too. Y'all had me sitting on live by myself Saturday. Some people are so confused at why I was bitching. But if you watch the beginning of the video of my live, then you'll figure out. But let's get into this video again. See y'all tomorrow too. And there you have it, squad. Some quick and easy goulash for dinner. That's all it is, beef and macaroni. Just add your own seasoning into it and your own vegetables, you know. And that's it. That's it. That's the post. But continue so you can see the spinach and the biscuits. And these are the biscuits I cooked earlier. A little burnt, but you know, that's how I like it. I like a little crust on the top. I like it a little dark on the top, just like I like my man. Let me stop. And there you have it, squad. Quick and easy goulash for dinner with spinach and biscuits on the side. So if you like this video, hit the like button for your girl if you made it this far. All right. And then if you want to, you know, let me know something a little different I could do to my meal, comment down below. I love different ideas. I love using new ideas. All right. And I'll see y'all tomorrow at my live and see you next video. Okay.